This is the train to Penn Station. This station is Manhasset. Stopping at Amityville, Atlantic Terminal, Brooklyn.
We want to turn to the news and everything we know about the first confirmed case of the novel coronavirus here in the city.
Back to New York, where there is concern growing on Long Island because there's been a surge of COVID-19
Governor
cases.
Cuomo described the growing number of coronavirus cases on Long Island like a fire spreading today.
To get this,
Country Life Press,
they have it,
Deer Park,
they get through it,
Douglaston,
it's over.
East New York,
And at one point,
East Rockaway,
the fire,
Far Rockaway,
it doesn't max out in
Farmingdale,
one place,
Floral
but
Park,
it
Flushing
consumes
Street,
where it is, and then
Forest
it's moving out.
Hill,
You look at where
Garden
it's
City,
moving, you see that Long Island number.
I'm very glad I made Manhasset my home because I'm very glad to raise my child here. I'm very glad to wake up every morning here. It's just an amazing place.
Island Park, Jamaica, Kew Gardens, Lakeview, Laurelton,
He
Lawrence,
says Long Island now accounts for 22% of all hospitalizations in the state of New York.
Lynbrook, Malvern, Massapequa Park, Massapequa, Manhasset,